Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with addition of decimals. In the previous lecture, we have seen what is decimal fraction. Then we have seen how to read a decimal number. Then we have seen how to convert a decimal into fraction and fraction into a decimal. Then we have seen like decimal and unlike decimal. So today we will see how the addition of decimal is being done. So a question is given 3.9 to 11.057 and 236.84 is given to you and you have to add it. So arrange them like this to add. Okay, see, all the decimal points should lie in a vertical line and the digits that is having a same place value should lie below one another. This is the ones place, so there are no digits, so no digits are written over here. This is tens and this is 100, so everything is arranged in a proper order. So let's start with addition. So we will start with ones from back side. So there are nothing, so 7 will be copied as it is. Now 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. 1 will be carried over here. So this will come 10 and plus 8, 18. Then again 1 will be carried. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. And decimal will come over here also. Then again 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 and your answer is here. Again there is nothing, so 2 will be copied. Answer is 251.817. I hope it is very clear to you, because in the previous classes also you have done. When you were in class 6th you have done this. Okay, so it is very easy. Now let's see one more question based on it. So as the question is given to you 2.8, 104.91 and 37.056. So arrange them again in a proper way, that each number should lie below one another and the decimal also should be arranged in a vertical line. Then the addition will be proper. So now this is how you will arrange it. Everything is lying on a proper line and the numbers are also below one another according to their place value. So let's see how to do it. See, as there is nothing, so 6 will be copied. Okay, now 1 plus 5 is 6 and 8 plus 9 is 17. Then decimal will come here, 1 will be carried over here. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7 and 7 7 14. Again 1 will be carried. 3 plus 1 4 and 1. So your answer is 144.766. So this is how the addition of decimal is being done. Now let's see how the subtraction of decimal is done. Let's see the subtraction of decimal. So again 2 questions are given to you. First one is 5.27 from 13.89, means you have to subtract 5.27 from 13.89. So again arrange this number accordingly in a proper manner, that the decimal should lie in a vertical line and the number should lie below one another according to their place value. So I have written it, put the subtraction sign. Now the subtraction will be started from the right side. So 9 minus 7 is 2 and 8 minus 2 is 6. Then the decimal will come. See, here is 3. So, but obviously you will carry it from here. Now 13 minus 5 will be 8. So your answer is 8.62. Clear? Let's see the second one. You have to subtract 0.283 from 2. So we will arrange it. So 2 is given. Then put 0, 0, 0. Why? Because it will be beneficial for you to subtract the number. Clear? Why 0, 0 is written? Because subtraction will take place accordingly to that only. I hope it is clear, because there was nothing after the decimal in 2 place, so I have put 0, 0, 0. So now let's see. So we will start from the right side. Again, cut this, then carry from here, then again this will be 9, then it will be 9 and 10. Easy and simple. You have done it earlier, so I think that it is not so much difficult for you to understand. So 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7 and 1. So your answer is 1.717. Clear? So see it again. Okay, so let's see how the multiplication of decimal take place. Now let's see the multiplication of decimal. If the multiplication is done by 10, 100 and 1000, so as the question is written, 3.2985 multiplied by 10. So what to do? We will just shift the decimal place to one place, as many zeros as you are seeing in the 10. Okay, so we will shift this, and this will be 32.985. Suppose if you are multiplying the same number with 100, now there are two zeros in 100, so the decimal will be shifted to 2 place and it will be here, that is 329.85. and if the same number is multiplied by 1000, so there are 3 zeros in 1000, so the decimal place will be shifted towards right side to 3 place. Up to 3 place it is shifted, so this is 3298.5. Clear? So now let's start the multiplication in an ordinary way. Two questions are given to you. So let's see. 0.3 is multiplied by 6. So 6 is written, and even you can put the decimal and write 0 also over here. So it doesn't means anything, because just we have to balance this question. So I have put the decimal sign and 0. So see, 3 zeros are 0, so I have written 3 6 are 18 directly over here. Again 0 multiplied by 0 is 0 and 0 multiplied by 6 is 0. So your answer is 1.8. Why? Because after the decimal there is only one number written in the right hand side. So we will consider like this way, that we will see in the right hand side that after decimal how many digits are coming. So there is 1, so I have put after 1 digit. Now let's see another question. 18.00, I have written it as to balance this. So now let's start the multiplication from the right side. 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 8s is 48, then 4 6 1s are 6 plus 4 10, again 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 eights are 16, then carry over 1, 2 ones are 2 and 3, then again 0, 0, 0, 0. Everything is written clearly. Now your answer is 4.68. Clear? Why? Because after decimal you are seeing there are 2 digits on the right hand side. So I have put the decimal after 2 digits. So this is the way that how to solve an ordinary numbers in a multiplication. Clear? Now let's see how the division of decimals is being done. So now let's see how the division of decimal takes place. So division by 10, 100 and 1000. Let's understand with a question. Suppose a question is given 623.42 divided by 10. So as in the case of multiplication, we were shifting the decimal towards the right side by seeing a 0, as the 0 is 1 in 10, so it was shifted towards right till one place. But in case of division, it will be shifted towards left hand side. So accordingly there is only 1 0. Okay, so your decimal place will be shifted towards left hand side till one place. So your answer will be 62.342. Let's see once more. Suppose 623.42 divided by 100 is given. So there are 2 zeros, so decimal place will be shifted to 2 places towards the left side. So it will be here 6.2342. Okay, now let's see with 1000. 623.42 divided by 1000. So as there are 3 zeros in 1000, so it will be shifted towards 3 places, 1, 2 and 3. So this will be 0.62342. Clear? Okay, so now let's see. How the division is taking place in a very ordinary method. So 16.952 divided by 8. So here 8, as you know, it is a divisor, and 16.952 is a dividend. So and whatever we will get will be the quotient. So now let's understand. 8 2s are 16. So 2 will be written like this. Now 0, then 9 will be here. Okay, now put a decimal point over here because it is going after the decimal, so decimal will be placed in a quotient also. Now then what to do? 8 ones are 8, 1 is left, 5 will come down, 15, 8 ones are 8, now 7 is left, 15 minus, okay, 8 is 7, now again 2 will come down over here, say 2 will come down over here. Now 8 9s are 72, and your answer is 0, and your quotient is 2.119. I hope you have understood. Let's see one more question based on the simple division. So 0.945 divided by 9. So 9 is a divisor and 0.945 is a dividend. So it is written like this. Now let's divide 9. First you are seeing that 0 is coming over here, so we will put 0, then point, then 9 ones are 9, then 4 will come down. So see, as you are saying that 4 cannot be divided by 9 because 4 is smaller and 9 is greater, so we will put 0 over here. Clear? Then we will put 5 down. So now this is 45 and 9 5s is 45. So it is divided, and your quotient is 0.105. Clear? See. Okay. Now let's see one more condition in division. Suppose you have to divide 4.8 and with 0.8, means a decimal will be divided with a decimal. So what to do? Just write it 4.8 dividend 0.8 divisor. So when you will remove the decimal place, because if you will remove the decimal place, then it will be easier for us to divide. So this will be removed. So if we are removing a decimal place, so it has been removed till 1. Okay, so 10 will come over here, and this also, so 10 will go above also. Now you can see that both will be cut. Okay, now 48 upon 8, 8 ones are 8 6s are, so your answer is 6. Clear? Now let's see one more question based on it. Suppose 5.625 is written and you have to divide it by 1.25. Okay, so 5.625 and 1.25. So here you have to remove the decimal. So after decimal there are 3 digits that is written, so we will put zeros in the denominator, and after decimal there are 2 digits written in the denominator of this 1.25, so we will put 2 zeros in the numerator. So this and this will be cancelled, this and this will be cancelled, so you will get what? 5625 divided by 1250, divide it, and you will get the answer 4.5. Clear? Just divide it, do this, and you will get it. Okay, I hope you have understood how the division is done. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic. So now our next topic is terminating decimal. What do you mean by terminating decimal? Suppose a question is given 31.76 and divide this by 4. Okay, so we will do and understand. As you know, 31.76 is a dividend and 4 is a divisor. Now let's start. So 4 sevens is 28, because 4 8s will be 32, so 4 sevens are 28. We will take a smaller number. Okay, now subtract this, carry over 8, 11 minus 8 will be 3. Clear? And there is 2, so 0 will be there. Now put the decimal sign over here and 7 will come down. 4 9s are 36. Now 1 will be left and 6 will come down, and 4 4s are 16. Students, terminating decimal means that there is no remainder coming over here. Okay, this is the meaning of terminating a decimal. Okay, now let's see what is non-terminating decimal. non terminating decimal. Non terminating decimal means 13.78 divided by 7. Okay, so again with a very simple step, do like this and start dividing it. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, so 14 will be not be taken because 14 is bigger, so 7 ones are 7. Then 6 will be left, put the decimal sign and 7 will come down. Now 7 nines are 63, so 4 will be there after subtracting and 8 will come down. 7 6 is 42, which is closer to 48. Then 6 will be left. Then now we will put 0 because here the numbers are finished, but after putting a decimal sign we can put 0 over here, automatically it will come. So now 7 8s is 56. Okay, as you can see that the remainders are coming again and again over here also, and you can see the remainders are coming again and again, means that it is not dividing fully, that we are getting the remainder 0 and the numbers are going on. So this is called a non-terminating decimal, means that in the remainder there is something left in it. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So with this we will end our today's session. Thank you.